AI factories have become the backbone of modern industry, revolutionizing manufacturing, logistics, and even creative processes. These highly automated, intelligent systems are no longer just about efficiency. They are reshaping the very nature of production. The integration of artificial intelligence into factory operations has led to unprecedented levels of precision, adaptability, and scalability. Companies worldwide are investing heavily in AI-driven manufacturing, recognizing its potential to reduce costs, enhance productivity, and minimize human error. One of the most significant advancements in AI factories is the rise of generative AI. Unlike traditional automation, which follows predefined rules, generative AI can analyze vast amounts of data, learn patterns, and make autonomous decisions. This capability has transformed supply chain management, predictive maintenance, and quality control. AI-powered factories can now anticipate equipment failures before they occur, ensuring seamless operations and reducing downtime. Additionally, AI-driven quality control systems can detect defects with greater accuracy than human inspectors, leading to higher product standards and reduced waste. The adoption of AI in factories has also led to a shift in workforce dynamics. While automation has replaced certain manual tasks, it has simultaneously created new opportunities for skilled workers. Engineers and technicians are now required to oversee AI systems, troubleshoot issues, and optimize performance. This shift has necessitated extensive retraining programs, as traditional manufacturing roles evolve into more technologically sophisticated positions. Companies that invest in workforce development are seeing the benefits of a more agile and knowledgeable team, capable of leveraging AI to its fullest potential. Despite the numerous advantages, AI factories face several challenges. One of the primary concerns is cybersecurity. As factories become increasingly connected through the Internet of Things, IoT, they become more vulnerable to cyber threats. Hackers targeting industrial systems can disrupt production, steal intellectual property, or even cause physical damage. To mitigate these risks, companies are implementing robust cybersecurity measures, including AI-driven threat detection and response systems. These solutions continuously monitor network activity, identify anomalies, and neutralize potential threats before they escalate. Another challenge is the ethical implications of AI-driven manufacturing. The displacement of workers due to automation raises concerns about job security and economic inequality. While AI creates new roles, it also eliminates traditional jobs, leading to workforce disruptions. Policymakers and industry leaders are grappling with the need to balance technological progress with social responsibility. Some companies are exploring hybrid models, where AI enhances human capabilities rather than replacing them entirely. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are an example of this approach, working alongside human employees to improve efficiency while maintaining employment opportunities. AI factories are also influencing global trade dynamics. Countries investing heavily in AI-driven manufacturing are gaining a competitive edge, producing goods faster and at lower costs. This shift is prompting governments to reevaluate trade policies, subsidies, and regulations to ensure fair competition. Additionally, AI-powered factories are enabling localized production, reducing reliance on overseas suppliers and minimizing supply chain disruptions. This trend is particularly relevant in the wake of recent global events that have highlighted vulnerabilities in traditional manufacturing models. Environmental sustainability is another critical aspect of AI factories. AI-driven systems optimize resource usage, reduce waste, and improve energy efficiency. Smart factories leverage AI to monitor emissions, manage energy consumption, and implement eco-friendly practices. Some companies are using AI to develop sustainable materials, reducing their carbon footprint and contributing to a greener future. As environmental concerns become more pressing, AI factories are expected to play a pivotal role in achieving sustainability goals. Looking ahead, the future of AI factories is poised for even greater advancements. The integration of quantum computing, edge AI, and autonomous robotics will further enhance manufacturing capabilities. Quantum computing promises to solve complex optimization problems at unprecedented speeds, enabling factories to operate with maximum efficiency. Edge AI, which processes data locally rather than relying on cloud computing, will improve real-time decision-making and reduce latency. Autonomous robotics will continue to evolve, performing intricate tasks with precision and adaptability. AI factories are not just a technological evolution. They represent a paradigm shift in how industries operate. The convergence of AI, automation, and data analytics is creating a new era of intelligent manufacturing. While challenges remain, the potential benefits far outweigh the risks. Companies that embrace AI-driven production will lead the way in innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. As AI continues to advance, factories will become smarter, more resilient, and more capable of meeting the demands of an ever-changing world.